Okay, 34 part B. Which statements are true about the data for team R and team S? Select all that apply. The median time of team R is less than the median time of team S. Okay, so team R is a bit hard to look out in this format, so I'm actually just going to replace that with the histogram that represents team R. I'll put these side by side here for us to look at. So the median of team R is less than the median of team S. So let me look at the median. The median here for team S is 7.5. The median of team S is 7.5. The median for team R, well, how many data points are there? There's 20 data points. I just counted them up from the table. So that means the median is going to be the first 10. So here's 3 and 8. 3 and 8. So the median time is going to be somewhere between 5 and 6 minutes. I don't know exactly where. If I needed to know exactly where, I would have to put these data in order and do all that to find that median. But I know, just based on the fact that there's 20 data points, the median is somewhere between 5 and 6 minutes, which is less than the median time of team S. The median time of team R is less than the median time of team S. That is true. Because this is between 5 to 6 minutes. So that's true. The median time of team R is greater than the median time of team S. Well, that's not true if A is true. The interquartile range of team R is less than the interquartile range of team S. Yikes. I might have to make myself a box plot for this. Let me see, is there an easy way to find the interquartile range? Well, let's see if we can estimate it from the histogram. So there's 20 data points, which means that each quartile is 5. So if each quartile is 5 data points, I have 1, 2, 3 data points here, 4 and 5. Q1 is going to be somewhere in here. Let me find the top. Let me find Q3. So Q3 is going to be, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Q3 is going to be somewhere between 6 and 7 minutes. So let's compare that to this, where Q1 is 5, Q1 is 5, and Q3 is 9. So that's an interquartile range of 4. The most that this one could be is if the Q1 was exactly at 5 and the Q3 was exactly at 7. And that would be an interquartile range of 2. That's the maximum. So the interquartile range of team R is less than the interquartile range. That is true. So they can't be equal. The data for team R is skewed to the left. No. The data for team R is skewed to the left. This is skewed to the right. It's pulled off of the normal curve. It's pulled off to the right. This is skewed right. So that's not true. The data for team S includes an outlier. Well, if there was an outlier, no. If there was an outlier, one of these whiskers would have to be like super long, right? If there was a person way out here very different than the rest, then the max would go out to there. Or if there was someone much lower, that would be, so that's not true. So it looks like A and C.